Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video. Guys, in today's video, I have a Cartier unboxing today, and this is the cheapest item necklaces on Cartier website. I mentioned I have a video that the having decrease of their jewelry collection. I think also the watch as well, guys. So I keep checking every single day of the Cartier website. I was lucky that it was that day that's having a decrease. I don't know how long what it's gonna be decreased. Here she is, guys. I already cut off the tape. Yes, I finally decided to get this one since they are decrease the item, and like I said, I don't know how long it will be last for the decrease. Probably, I don't know, guys. I hope it will stay decreased every single time now. So always with the white bags. I actually received just today and supposed to be come yesterday, but I'm not home, so they re-deliver this again today. Oh, look at that, it's broke. First time I received that the box is been ripped off on the side. See that? Of course, a shopping bag. Probably everything in here. If you don't like the item, return. I'll check that later because I don't feel the authenticity card. So there is, guys. They don't send me the, let me put this away. They don't send me the cleaning kit yet. So there she is. Always with this hat stamp. I don't know, guys. For some reason, I've been eyeing a jewelry at the moment for the bag, maybe because it was locked down in here and I can't go anywhere besides home and work. So there it is. Like I said, this is cheapest necklaces and Cartier website. Oh, well, this is the cheapest. Oopsie, I see it already that it come out. So the item, guys, as you know, some of you know, I think what it is. This is the one. This is the chain necklace, extra small. How cute is that? And they don't give me a travel pouch as well. Set aside. And also, why I choose this chain necklace than the diamond ledger, it because I was planning maybe one day that I will get the Trinity cord bracelet and I will use those as a pendant. So that's why I'm getting this one. And beside, I get this one, it's because this thing over here that you can use as a pendant, which is, it's not small enough, it's probably good enough size, used as a pendant, which is, this is the famous Cartier logo, and that's the chain. It's quite really dainty. I've been loving really dainty now. As you know, I mentioned way back before that I don't really wear necklaces because it bothers me. But this Trinity T-Smile collections, I've been wearing this all day. I didn't remove this since I received it and put it on, and it doesn't bother me. It doesn't feeling like it's choking me even though when I'm sleeping. That's why I prefer a dainty necklace. And then also why I got this one, I use this one as a choker as well. So it's really cute and really tiny chain, but it doesn't bother me. I will baby comparison of these two because it looks like the length of it different from the Tiffany. So there it is, guys. I will try to use as how I stuck with these two. So let's put it on this. I also like to use this one as a choker. So if I use as a choker, guys, if I use as a choker, I'll probably do I always so there it is. I will use a choker like those two around. See, it's nice to use as a choker for this, just like that, guys. So just like that. And if I want to use this part use as a pendant, I can adjust that one. Let me remove that. Let me fix that, guy. I wish I'm wearing a different shirt, but yeah, that's my plan, is to do that or make this T-Smile with a choker. Is that make it shorter. This is adjustable, by the way, guys. So I don't mind that thing. It's like that to make a chain. I'll make sure that I put right here. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be, guys. If I wanted to stacking these two, probably adjust the T-Smile. Yeah, I probably gonna be adjust this T-Smile to make it shorter to be linked like that. But I will leave my Cartier like that because I like the way this dangle, this part over here, used as a pendant. So you just like 2-in-1 necklaces because you can use this one as a pendant, and it's quite actually this part, the dangle, it's not very light. It's very good price as well for this. I'm really glad that I get this one rather than the diamonds, even though I like the diamond ledger, but probably someday I will get that one. But this is actually worth it to have this chain necklace, extra small one, because you can do as 2-in-1. Use this dangle as a pendant. Look at that. I just move a little bit so you can see, guys. So yeah, it's really nice. So see in this envelope here, I asked again a blank card. I always does anyway. And this is the authenticity, guys. And I think that's the date that you purchased. And this one has a signature. I'm not remember of the authenticity people who make as a signature, but doesn't matter as long as you have the authenticity card, because once you planning to sell it, you have to show that this is from Cartier. So there you go, guys. Again, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.